tip for winter skincare that you need to focus more on hydration and less on exfoliation. Hi, I just woke up and it's Saturday morning, so my college is off. I was about to get freshen up and then do my skincare, but then I thought, why not film this and show you all what my current skincare looks like? Plus, it's going to be very like student and college going people friendly because I myself am a student and I go to college every day. So I try to keep this as simple as I can so that I can follow it every day. So yeah, I'm gonna show that. Plus, this video is not sponsored, so I'm gonna be brutally honest. So to begin with, I first need to brush my teeth and wash my face, and then to wash my face, I'm using this Cetaphilka Gentle Cleanser. And as its name suggests, it's actually very gentle and it suits all skin types, including sensitive skin. Like, I have really sensitive skin, and I've been using this from like 4 to 5 years now. Also, I have started doing this face yoga in the morning with the cleanser itself, and I kid you not, like, my skin is loving this. Like, it removes all the puffiness from the face. After pat drying your face gently, it's time for hydration. So this is my first time using this CeraVe moisturizer. I've been using this from like past 3 months and I love this. Like, I have a sensitive skin and I don't try my hands on just any cream that I see in the market. But I don't know why, what made me buy this. So I was quite skeptical about this when I actually tried this, I loved it. Like, it has that perfect consistency that you need for your winter dry skin. Now, next is the time for sunscreen. And I mean, I preach this. We all know this, that we need to apply sunscreen all 365 days, no matter how the weather is. Here I am using Fix Derma sunscreen, and I've been using this from like again 2 years, I guess. Yeah. And again, for sunscreen, I have a tip. Like, if you find a perfect sunscreen for your skin, just stick to it because it's very difficult to find a perfect sunscreen. I'm done with my skincare and now it's time for my morning drink. So I drink this like 3 to 4 days in a week, and it has solved almost all my gut issues, and as a result my skin also feels very healthy. Hi. So, just a little sneak peek. This is Saturday night, and I have just come back from a like wholesome, fulfilling dinner. Show you all what my current nighttime skincare routine looks like. But before we actually get into this, I think we both know how clumsy I am. So, keeping that in mind, I think I need to change my cardigan and be back. I'm back, and now I'm going to start my skincare. Starting with the same cleanser again, here it will work as a makeup remover. Like, I use this instead of micellar water. So I'm wearing like a little bit of mascara, blush, and lipstick. So it's gonna remove everything and is also very gentle for my skin and makes it feel super fresh. Next, I'm using this Salicylic DS face wash. It contains salicylic acid, so I would highly recommend you this if you have like blackheads and whiteheads around your chin area and nose area, and you have clogged pores. So salicylic acid helps with clogged pores. So yeah, I'd highly recommend you this. You have to do nothing, just massage it onto your face and then like leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll see the magic. इसके बाद you have to wash your face and let it completely dry, because now I'm going to apply salicylic acid, which has to be applied only on dry skin. I'm using this because currently I'm suffering from blackheads and whiteheads a lot, especially around my nose area and chin. So I'm gonna apply this serum on the targeted area, which is around my nose and my chin. उसके अलावा I'll not put it anywhere else and let it sit for like 10 minutes. You can also use niacinamide instead if you have like really dry skin. After that, it's again time for hydration. I'm using this CeraVe moisturizer again. So yeah, this has that perfect consistency, and I think for winters you need to hydrate more, and especially after applying any exfoliating like agent, especially like salicylic acid, you need to moisturize your face thoroughly. This will help with that, and again, nothing can beat my Vaseline. Okay, so I'm done with my today's nighttime routine. And for your information, today I used salicylic acid with the moisturizer. Salicylic acid हम use करते हैं for exfoliation. I use that because I like noticed a lot of blackheads and whiteheads around my nose. But on normal days, I'm gonna use niacinamide with paired with the moisturizer because सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं and we need more hydration rather than like exfoliation. So yeah, that was it. And I'll also share the alternative how to keep your face hydrated and glowy. Also, do not forget to drink water and like eat green vegetables because I think sardiyan aa gayi hain. It's full of green vegetables. So try to eat healthy. Try to drink water. Yeah, that is it. It's not only about what you put on your face from the outside. It's more about what you actually take. Tip for winter skincare that you need to focus more on hydration and less on exfoliation. So that is it. Hope you find it helpful. Bye bye.